Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards going to do a what sold video. This is the second week of January, so January 8th through the 14th. Another slow week, but I just checked my sales for this week, and I'm almost at a double, and almost, if I have some auctions ending tonight, that may end up tripling my intake for the month because I've been listing. Man, it just boggles my mind. You list, you sell. So you can see on the screen 38 orders on my main store, 438 on the airplane cards. Decent week over there, 17 orders for 230. So grand total for the week. I didn't do the orders, but it's only like 670 bucks. So definitely less than $100 a day. I'd like to try to keep it the 100 bucks a day, but again, this is my fun money. It's fine. So let's get into the what sold part. Monongahela, Pennsylvania Railroad Tower, Pennsylvania Railroad what is that? Circa 1910. Probably came from I don't know where it came from. Probably that. Let me see. S25. This is the I bought from the widow. So $21 for this postcard. Pretty cool. 21 bucks. Next, sold a map. I told the story before. I was in an antique mall, found this 1844 atlas. The cover was torn up, but all the pages inside were in pretty good condition. Bought it for $8. I believe I'm now up around $800 total, maybe $900 on maps out of that. 60 bucks was the best offer on this. 1844, pretty cool map. Next, Hamburg, Pennsylvania, American Hotel. This was the best offer, probably about 14 bucks or so. I usually do about 20 to 25% off offers. Sometimes a little bit more. This also came from the widow of the postcard dealer. Next, Baltimore, Bromo Seltzer Tower. Have a whole bunch of these. $7.99. I've sold a whole bunch of them, but this is the first sale in probably year and a half, 2 years on one of these. Panama Canal elevation map route statistics. Again, best offer probably about 12 bucks or so. Pretty cool, showing the elevations of the sea. I almost said C&O Canal, Panama Canal. So again, probably about 12 to 14 bucks. Arbuckle's trade card, a circa 1890s. Bought these for $1 or less at the DC Big Flea a couple years ago. Best offer was around 12 bucks. Patriotic Decoration Day Veteran Civil War Soldiers Pack Flag Nash. Nash is the publisher. Sometimes I believe confused. I don't think Nash was the artist. I think it was just the publisher. Pretty cool card. Great condition for its age. Again, probably a best offer of $15+. Chattanooga, Tennessee, New Level Field Airport Interior Coffee Shop. Probably from the 70s is my guess. I don't think there's a date. Let's look at is there outfits? Yeah. I would say from the 70s, I believe it was a full offer. Could have been a best offer. Boston Logan International Airport, American Airlines. Not from the airplane buyout, just happened to be an airport. Airports do fairly well, so $8.49 could have been a best offer. Kitty Cats Watching Bumblebee, circa 1905. Don't know if there's an artist on here anywhere. Some of the artist signed ones can do fairly well. Probably, let me see, I think it was about a $7 best offer. This is kind of a weird one. Old Mother Hubbard person made from pumpkins, squash, 1910s. Bought this in an antique mall. I believe it was for $1. Price still might be. Yep, paid $1 for that card. Might have been a little less with a dealer discount, fellow dealer discount. But I thought it was pretty cool. There's a series of these. I've found 2 or 3 more, and I believe from the same antique mall seller. But anyway, paid $1. I believe it was a best offer of around $14. Muskegon, Oklahoma, Indian Territory, 2nd Street, 1904. So this one says Indian Territory. Some postcards is where you kind of got to learn your history of when states became states, because sometimes you might find a card that has the cancel on it from a city, and it was actually pre-statehood. So if you find out that it is pre-statehood, put that in there. Best offers are probably around 27 bucks or so. Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, great fishing there. Water Street, 1905. I can tell by the S number that this also came from the widow buyout. I believe so. That could be that IE could have been that. Oh no, this came from the antique mall buyout. The guy died, and looks like $10. So I probably paid $1 for this. 14.29. Patriotic, my country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Clap saddle, there's her signature. Pretty nice patriotic one. Probably about 18 bucks on a best offer. Elks, this BPOE is the, I can't remember, it's the Brotherhood of something Elks. This one's artist sign, 1905. I could not make out that signature. About $7, I think, on a best offer. Had this around for a while. Elk stuff, it looks cool. Think it would be neat fraternal. It doesn't really sell that well. Another elk, same buyer. Again, probably about $7. Don't know. I'm sure whatever that clock means something to them in fraternal lingo. I don't know what it is. So, next card. This card is in horrible condition. Philadelphia, Strawbridge, and Clothier counter-filled watches. It has some water damage that kind of bled the ink. I don't know what it was. Cool telephone on the back. As is someone, $7.50 as is. I got this came from the widow buyout. Probably about a $6 offer I took on that. I included this one because I think this is a reproduction postcard. Mount Wolf Center Street, real photo. It's just the coloring is off. It just kind of looks like a under a magnifying glass. It is a photograph, but the back just to me just looks bad. Reprint as is I don't know if that was mine. Doesn't look like my handwriting. But anyway, I still listed it, and down here, back notes, this could be a reproduction. I don't know. Maybe I'm completely off base, but it just didn't feel right, so we'll call it a reproduction. Probably about $6-7 for that, and it's been around for quite a while. Cape May, New Jersey, Hotel Cape May, 1908. It has some kind of, or is that part of the, I don't know. Let's look at the back. Kind of looks staining or old, but I don't see it on the front. It just doesn't look right. Could just be dirty. But anyway, the Cape May hotels usually do fairly well. Again, probably best offer around $19-20. St. Petersburg, the El Capitan deep sea charter boat, deep sea fishing charter boat. Pretty cool. Again, best offer probably about $7-8. This is In Green Pastures, Homeward Bound, Edinburgh, PA. And that's sold again. Best offer, probably about $8-9. No, not $9. Probably about $7-8. Again, over on Airplane Cards, 17 orders, 230. Had several multi-quantity sales. And again, that's what these Airplane Cards are, I hope, to become. You know, people are asking for offers, $3.74 for a postcard I paid a penny for. I'll take that every day. So far this week, sales are a little bit lighter over there, but now that I've gotten all my York show from last year, 2022, listed, my plan is to now fill those shelves over there with Airplane Cards. So that's my next thing. Yeah, multiple quantity order, like 17, $59. Going to Canada. So we'll see if that makes it there. Sold some 8x10 photos. Best offer probably around the $25 mark. Astrojet. I think the same buyer bought this one again, probably about 24 bucks. And this one went to a different buyer, 27 bucks. And then another multiple quantity order of like 19 bucks. So there we have it. That's the what sold part. So a little light on sales this week, but again, this coming week or next week's video going to be much better. We got some postcard shows coming up. Get to a postcard show. Build those connections so you can buy, set up future bulk deals. This is, let me see, this weekend, Lakewood, Colorado, the Denver Postcard Show. I will make it there someday. Buena Park, California. That's the Greater California Postcard Show, same weekend. Elkton, Maryland, coming up. I'm not going to go to that one. End of the month, Arcadia, California. Also, El Dorado Hills, California. I know California is a big place, but lots of postcard shows out there. Coming up in February, we got Tulsa, Oklahoma. Also in February, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. So all my Canadian friends go to a postcard show. And my next show will be at the Havre de Grace. I'm not vending. I will be there as a buyer. Haven't been to the one in Dawson in March, but I may make it. And I'm starting to plan maybe making it to Allentown Paper Show in April. And as always, over on Whatnot, you want bulk postcard deals, come see me on Whatnot. Going to be selling a lot of bulk, selling full tubs of postcards on Whatnot. Thank you for watching.